Hi, everybody should be looking up and trying to find anthropometric data for their products. So, pretty much any product that you're using needs to fit the people that are in your target audience or target market. So, on our website, there is a whole group of data. It's located in the standard level here in topic one. And so if you scroll down, you'll see these resources. And so one of the things that you might want to do to start with is open up this document. So I've already done that. So here's this document. And let's say that I'm designing something that will go around the ear. So I'm going to find ear length in this. And you can see that it's the length of the right ear from the highest point on a line parallel to the long axis of the ear. And you're measuring from, you can see the top to the bottom of the ear here. So this document tells you what is being measured, and it's pretty exhaustive. Like ear protrusion and elbow rest height and everything. It's got every possible measurement that you can think of for the human body. Now, all that data is in here, and you really should be thinking to yourself, who is using my product? So for something like ear length, I probably would want to find the 95th percentile of males because males typically are bigger than females. Of course, this is, average, but typically males are bigger than females. So if I was designing something that should go around anybody's ear, I would want to go to the male data right here. And I would want to open up the male data. When you open it up, you'll see that we have all of these measurements. So you'll have to get to ear length. The way I would do that is to go to Command F and then type in ear and then just find it in there. So this is ear breadth and this is ear length. Okay, so that's actually the column that I want right here. Now there are zillions of, right, like there are all the way to 4,083 different measurements of ear length in this data set. So it's pretty exhaustive. Now, the measurements here, you kind of have to make some mental leaps. So these are in millimeters. So this is essentially 71 millimeters for this particular person. So the first person in the list has a 71 millimeter ear. Now, what we want to do is find the 95th percentile of that. In order to do this, there's kind of a nice little trick that you can do. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to click on the top of the column here, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to open a new sheet. And I'm going to paste that data. Now, one of the things I'm going to do is just delete out the header row here because I don't need it. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type an equal sign and I'm going to write percentile. Now, I need to put in the data that I'm using for this. So I'm using A1 through A4082. And then I'm going to put a comma and I'm going to put the percentage as a decimal. So if I'm looking for the 95th percentile, I would put 0.95 and then I'm going to put a end parentheses. So it's the data, so the beginning of the data to the end of the data, comma, and then the percentage as a decimal. And then I would hit enter. And you can see that the 95th percentile of ear length is 72 millimeters. So that would be 7.2 centimeters. Now, if I was looking for the 5th percentile, I would just do the same process. So 5th percentile, I would do the same process. I would hit equals. I would start typing percentile, click on a percentile. I'm going to go from A1 to A4082, comma, and then I would do 0.05. Remember that 5% is 0.05, and my parentheses, hit enter. And you can see that the 5th percentile would be 57 millimeters or 5.7 centimeters. Okay, this is a way that you can find percentiles quick and easy And it's a good way to do some research into the actual sizes that you need to use for any product that you're making. Thanks for watching.